Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Knowledge World. In today's video, we will start with beginners level Excel number series. If you ever wonder how quickly create the number in Excel without typing them one by one, then this video is for you. We will cover simple trick like autofill, odd, even, series, multiples, reserves order, and even creating date and time series in this video like we are showing in this Excel. So we will find how it will be working, and by the end of this video you will be able to create any number sequences in Excel by just a few clicks. So let's get together. So now we start how to create a number series in a simple way. Generally we are using the drop down list like this 1, 2 and then drop the select A3 and A4 and drop this in the downside. So like this we are creating the drop down list. Second option which we are discussing in this video starting, that fill option. In the fill option we are going to home tab, and under home tab we will go to fill. When we click on series, here are the option of lenient of a step values and stop values. Here you can say that 3 and stop growth and OK. So here is nothing coming, but if you write down some numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 something and then select and then go series 3 multiples growth way and OK. So it will become in the multiples 3, 9, 27, 81, 243 and so on in just one click. So by the help of this fill option you can create a series in a one click only. Next option, when we are going in this fill option we can see the month wise option like this. This time they are not showing anything because we clicked on the number cell, but when we convert this in a days calendar wise, write something first of all like 1, 9, 25 and then we drop it down, so it is showing the same number. If we are selecting this 2, 9, 25 and drop down this below, right now it is showing the continuous number, but if we convert this in a 15-month duration, so going to the series option, select the month and write down the 15th. So boom, the result has been displayed now. Every 15th month the date will be displayed accordingly. Now next option is autofill option. So in this we will write down 2, 8, 10 like this, and then you select overall list cells, then fill, then series and then autofill, and when you down the OK, it is showing like this. It is showing in a decimal form because you have selected the option here. You can remove this in a number form and then remove. So now you got 2, 8, 10, 15, 19, 23 and so on in the autofill options. So here is the option when you write the 1, 2, 3 or 8, 2 or you manually type this, it will take time, but in the autofill option you can get easily this answer. Then we move to a next option, that is row into 8. If you are getting this formula like ROW tab bracket close into 8 and enter. It is showing 8 of 24, and when you save, copy and paste down, it is gives the answer in a seconds. So this is the option by which we get save our time. Next is that reverse number series. Reverse number series is that you can write down 10 and 8 and leave it, and when you drop it out down, the answer will become automatically without calculating the numbers. And last but not the least option is that weekdays. If you are write the number months like 1 9 25 and next is 2 9 25, and if you select drop down is like this, it will give 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So it is not showing the weekdays option, means it is not removing the weekend days, and it is a sequence of simplicity of days. But if we want to write only the weekdays here, so we can get option from the fill again, then series, and there is the option of weekdays, and when you are going to click it out, answer is change like 1 2 3 4 5, and after that 6 7 has been changed and converted into 8 9 10 11 12, then again 13 14 has been changed, and 15 16 17. So like these options we can save our time and get the result quickly. So that was a quick beginner's guide to number series in the Excel. In this video we have covered autofill basic like this, then fill series and dialog box like 2 and 3 and 4. Then next we have discussed the auto and even numbers like this, and multiplies of a number like this, then reverse series number 6, and last was the date and time series, that is a weekend. So we have covered total 7 points in this video. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your respective persons. To stay updated with my Excel series playlist, please subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next episode.